Hello, here we are again for the 5th singing lesson online. Now yesterday we spoke a bit about the small voice, and today I'll tell you about the large voice. And to start with this, we stand up straight again. We put the feet a bit apart, bend the knees, and make sure the sound you make is being supported by your breath. So breathe in and breathe out. Now you might want to put the sound of your computer a little bit less loud, and in case you practice today, don't do it at home, but better in the woods. And then imagine you're on a mountaintop and you want to reach out to somebody on another mountaintop. So here we go. So this was it for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.